Types of robots, a comprehensive guide. Types of robots, a comprehensive guide. In recent years, robots have become an increasingly common sight in our society. From self-driving cars to automated manufacturing and warehouse systems, robots are being used for a wide range of applications. There are many different types of robots, each with its own set of capabilities and limitations. In this article, we will explore the most common types of robots, their uses, and the benefits they offer. 1. Industrial robots. Industrial robots are used in manufacturing and assembly lines to automate repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. They are highly precise, can work at high speeds, and are usually programmed to perform a single task repeatedly. They are also capable of working in harsh environments and lifting heavy loads. There are many different types of industrial robots, including articulated robots, Cartesian robots, SCARA, selective compliance assembly robot arm robots, and Delta robots. Articulated robots, which have rotary joints, are the most commonly used type of industrial robot. 2. Service robots. Service robots are designed to perform tasks that require human-like abilities, such as cleaning, cooking, and serving food. They are typically found in hotels, restaurants, hospitals, and other service industries. Service robots are also used in home automation systems to provide assistance to elderly or disabled individuals. There are two main types of service robots, domestic and professional. Domestic service robots are typically used in the home, while professional service robots are used in public spaces such as hotels and hospitals. Some examples of service robots include the Roomba vacuum cleaner and the Paro therapeutic robot. 3. Medical robots. Medical robots are used in healthcare settings to perform a range of tasks, from surgery to rehabilitation. They can be controlled by a surgeon or operate autonomously. Medical robots can provide more precise and less invasive procedures compared to traditional surgical methods, resulting in shorter recovery times for patients. There are many different types of medical robots, including surgical robots, rehabilitation robots, and telepresence robots. Surgical robots are used in minimally invasive procedures, while rehabilitation robots are used in physical therapy to assist patients in regaining mobility. Telepresence robots allow doctors to communicate with patients remotely, enhancing the quality and accessibility of healthcare services. 4. Humanoid robot. Humanoid robots are designed to resemble human beings in their appearance and movement. They are used for a variety of tasks, from entertainment to research. Humanoid robots can mimic movements of the human body and interact with humans in natural ways. Two of the most well-known humanoid robots are Osimo and Pepper. Osimo, created by Honda, is a humanoid robot that can run, jump, and even pour a glass of water. Pepper, created by SoftBank Robotics, is a social robot that can recognize human emotions and respond accordingly. 5. Autonomous mobile robots. Autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, are robots that can move and operate independently without human intervention. They are used in a variety of applications, such as logistics, warehousing, and security. AMRs are equipped with sensors and software that enable them to navigate their environment and perform tasks. AMRs include unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones, which can be used for delivery, surveillance, and monitoring. Another example of ARMers is the self-driving car, which is equipped with sensors that detect its surroundings and software that enables it to navigate roads safely. 6. Educational robots. Educational robots are used to teach students about robotics, coding, and engineering. They are designed to be easy to use and provide hands-on learning opportunities. Educational robots come in many shapes and sizes, from the simple Lego Mindstorm set to the more advanced Bex robotics platform. Educational robots are used in a variety of settings, from elementary schools to universities. They provide an engaging way for students to learn about technology and engineering while developing problem-solving and critical thinking skills. 7. Entertainment robots. Entertainment robots are designed to amuse and entertain people. They come in many different shapes and sizes and are used in various settings, including theme parks, museums, and exhibitions. Entertainment robots are also used for personal enjoyment in the form of toys and gadgets. Some entertainment robots are designed to mimic animals, such as robotic pets, while others are designed to resemble characters from popular movies or TV shows. They are typically equipped with sensors and programming that allow them to interact with humans in fun and engaging ways. 8. Military robots. Military robots are used for a variety of purposes, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and combat. They are typically used in situations that are too dangerous or difficult for humans to handle. Military robots can provide valuable information on enemy positions and help keep soldiers safe. Examples of military robots include unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, and unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs. These robots are equipped with sensors and cameras that allow them to collect data and perform tasks without putting human lives at risk. 9. Agricultural robots. Agricultural robots are used in farming and agriculture to automate tasks such as planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. They can be programmed to work around the clock, increasing productivity and reducing the need for human labor. Agricultural robots come in many different shapes and sizes, from small drones that can monitor crops from the air to large machines that can plant and harvest crops automatically. They are equipped with sensors and GPS technology that allow them to navigate fields and perform tasks with precision. 10. Space robots. Space robots are used in space exploration to perform tasks such as maintenance, repair, and sample collection. They are typically controlled remotely by humans on Earth and are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate and perform tasks in challenging space environments. Examples of space robots include the Mars rovers, which have explored the surface of Mars and collected data on its geology and climate. Future space robots may be designed to perform more complex tasks, such as building structures on other planets or mining resources in space. 11. Underwater robots. They can operate at great depths and in challenging underwater environments. They can be remotely controlled or operate autonomously. 12. Construction robots. Construction robots are used in the construction industry to automate tasks such as bricklaying, painting, and welding. They are designed to work alongside human workers and increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve safety in the construction process. 13. Social robots. Social robots are designed to interact with humans in social settings, such as in education or healthcare. These robots are programmed to recognize facial expressions, emotions, and respond accordingly, providing companionship and emotional support.